Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. Minimalism may be the perfect style for your kitchen, while cleanliness, efficiency and organization would be the holy trinity. It enables clear, clutter-free surface and stylish and sleek materials. What more would you ask for? And minimalism certainly does not have to appear dull or unfinished. With the correct strategy, minimalist kitchen will nevertheless be filled with style and personality. Tearing down your cooking room has absolutely nothing to do with scheming on function or style. In reality, preparing a minimalist kitchen means various things for various people. For many, it's all about getting lots of concealed storage, so countertops are totally free of things. Other folks embrace minimalism as being a visual decor, punctured by plain flat front cabinetry and magnificent stone waterfall island. We believe that the concept is about having an uncluttered and modest room with budget kitchen essentials. Even those preoccupied with maximalist style have their very own distinctive take on simplified kitchen area. But don't allow other individual choices to confuse you. We are right here to sort out a broad range of styles that encapsulate the minimalist kitchen area. Minimalism is not just around the number of kitchen items you have. It really is about tearing down with kitchen essentials and discovering contentment in having less. This is applicable to each aspect of your life. For instance, your closet, the thing in your bedroom as well as your home. Practicing minimalism in the kitchen area does not call for sacrificing your skill to produce extraordinary meal. In reality, having much less clutter in the room really helps make it much easier to go around and cook up something great. Simplifying right into a minimalist home usually begins with taking out the utensils and applications you are not using and do not have. This means your home could be decluttered extremely cheaply with just a bit of time and consideration. Minimalist home decor usually get a terrible rep, but there is a distinction between a room decorated with discipline and one that just lacks character. The real key to learning this particular style in the home is usually an experiment with structure to subtle color variations. If you put in a way too many textures, substance and surfaces of various style, the effect will certainly be headache including. At the very best, minimalist kitchens are smooth, advanced and enhanced. At worst, they are cold and appear incomplete. Discover ways to tread this good line by referencing interiors that perfect the trend. When you do not ensure that it stays in check, your home will gather many clutter each day. Sort of like flypaper, elements find a way in and get stuck out here. But for a kitchen area to operate smoothly, you cannot suffer through the chock-full kitchen cabinet or overflowing drawers. You want a clean kitchen area with space to breathe, enabling you to store everything you need without being forced to dig, reach and unstack. To maintain a minimalist kitchen, you need to be very strict. First, you should not have many more dishes than you will need. In case you frequently host dinner parties, you may be a 12-place setting family. But if you have a tiny kitchen, see if you can pare down your collection into half. You should only have the dishware you have used during the last 6 months. Needless to say, you require whatever bowl, glasses and plates you frequently make use of in your home. But with regards to special salad or maybe soup bowl or the mugs which came together with your dish set which you never ever use, it's time to think about the donation. Next, you should keep your kitchen storage scared. Only keep what you are using in the kitchen. That means serving other entertainment items and platters must be saved someplace else. if possible. You should also stay away from unitaskers. Equipment that may be utilized for just one job need to be uncommon in your home, or you will wind up with drawers consisting mostly of kitchen items which are mainly worthless. For example, a cherry picker just makes good sense in case your family eat a good deal of cherries often. Part of keeping a minimalist aesthetic is cleaning regularly. Messy home invites clutter because the mess merely blends into the mess. But in case your home is thoroughly clean, something that is out of place usually sticks out. In case you experience it, you will cope with it. Have your counter clean. Do not set conditions atop your kitchen counters only since you cannot find another place. Find a different rotating or permanent houses for mails, keys, paper, and small trinkets and toys that you do not feel like putting away. Clear countertops are the bedrock of a minimalist kitchen area. Keep your refrigerator clean and purge it once a week. Going through everything in your refrigerator not merely keeps your fridge thoroughly clean, but additionally it informs your food shopping, and so you simply purchase exactly what you need. You should not keep duplicates. The sole duplicates you are permitted to hold on to are all those using at exactly the same time frequently. So 2 or more serving spoons are good, but 4 salad tongs are almost certainly not. A minimalist home features a pantry with no French onions, which expired 3 years back, and 7 bottles of hot sauce shoved in the nook. Have everything you want available in your house. Nothing much, nothing more. You should not keep to go or disposable. The clear plastic kiddie glass from meal, the paper wrapped wooden chopsticks, as well as the packets of soy sauce and ketchup, not one in agreeable with minimalist kitchen area. When you not take out dinner, inform the joints when you are ordering. You do not need disposables. Friends, if you are enjoying these designs and ideas on modern minimalist style kitchen designs, then you should definitely consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our 1 million YouTube family members. On Interior Decor Designs, our aim is to simplify and give ideas to our subscribers and make them aware of modern interior decoration. If you want more design ideas, you can check out our website interiordecordesigns.in and also our Android app available on Play Store. You can also follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Telegram. All the link is there in the description box below. Minimalist kitchens are all about scaling things again and carrying out more often with much less. Whether through this wood, cement or granite, minimalist kitchens are identified by smooth practical lines, frameless cabinetry, integrated appliances, and also unexpected pop of colors. As the earth begins moving far from extra, you may have considered going minimal with your new home. A kitchen area filled with essentials, everything required and also nothing more. But how can you start deciding what this particular kitchen would look like? This video may be an excellent starting place. It seems there are lots of views about what constitutes a true minimalist kitchen. For much more clarity on the issue, we have to obtain a feel of minimalism rather than to principle. To do that, it is time to search through the images where we present these minimalist kitchens. Let these designs motivate you to remove the unnecessary in your space and embrace the necessities in life. When you would like a minimalist cooking area, you should declutter. This is particularly true the smaller sized your home is. Small kitchens simply do not possess the room to keep extras. Therefore, you have to simplify it to items you often use. Once you have decluttered, you will discover that your small kitchen area has more room than you originally thought. Then you are able to organize what is left. Everything you have will simply wind up cluttering the countertop Be sure to maintain these minimalist kitchen tips in mind that will help you manage your home. Budget is an important factor in home renovation. If your budget is not too high, then you can stop spending money on interior designers. You can follow our website and our YouTube channel to get latest home interior decoration ideas. Just have faith in yourself and trust in us. We will showcase you the best interior design ideas that you will find on internet. All our designs have a combination of modern and trending interior decoration ideas. Just watch all our videos and follow our website and app to get your home decorated. Look for storage for your must-have kitchen items. This is the most crucial tip for a minimalist kitchen area. You will have to ensure all items have a permanent home to keep. When you are not using it, you will have a significantly more storage space. Now that you declutter, so that cause it to be less difficult to reorganize your kitchen area. Attempt to locate the very best location for where things ought to go, making certain to optimize each nooks and crannies. Remember, everything needs to have some place to go back. The counter itself does not count as a place. Put everything away as soon as possible. If all things have a house, you understand where things ought to go back to. When you have a product, place it out immediately. It only takes a 3 seconds to place anything away, but it is very easy to keep scissors, a can opener, or trash away over the countertop for a days. Small kitchen counter space become used up fast. Since all things have a house, you know where you can put items out. No more not keeping space, do it merely sits on the countertop forever. A dedicated cupboard for cookware. Set your appliances and cookware into one location and your dishes in another. This may include pots, toaster, slow cooker, pan, maybe any cooking supplies you use when preparing meal. If you run out of storage space in these places, this will be an indication that you have begun to collect an excessive amount of it, and it is time to re-evaluate what you possess to find out if you really want it. Lastly, dedicate small areas for decor. Minimalism does not suggest you have a boring kitchen. Have something hanging on a candle or the wall over the dining table. It does not have to be extreme. Candles on the dining table will give you dim lighting for an easy ambience. Be creative and follow these guidelines, and we are sure that you will rock a modern minimalist kitchen in no time. Paring down your cooking room has absolutely nothing to do with scheming on function or style. In reality, preparing a minimalist kitchen means various things for various people. For many, it's all about getting lots of concealed storage, so countertops are totally free of things. Other folks embrace minimalism as being a visual decor, punctured by plain, flat front cabinetry and magnificent stone waterfall island. We believe that the concept is about having an uncluttered and modest room with budget kitchen essentials. Even those preoccupied with maximalist style have their very own distinctive take on simplified kitchen area. But don't allow other individual choices to confuse you. We are right here to sort out a broad range of styles that encapsulate the minimalist kitchen area. Minimalism is not just around the number of kitchen items you have. It really is about paring down with kitchen essentials and discovering contentment in having less. This is applicable to each aspect of your life. For instance, your closet, the thing in your bedroom as well as your home. Practicing minimalism in the kitchen area does not call for sacrificing your skill to produce extraordinary meal. In reality, having much less clutter in the room really helps make it much easier to go around and cook up. something great. Simplifying right into a minimalist home usually begin with taking out the utensils and applications you are not using and do not have. This means your home could be decluttered extremely cheaply with just a bit of time and consideration. Minimalist home decor usually get a terrible rep, but there is a distinction between a room decorated with discipline and one that just lacks character. The real key to learning this particular style in the home is usually a experiment with structure to subtle color variations. If you put in a way too many textures, substance and surfaces of various style, the effect will certainly be headache including. At the very best, minimalist kitchens are smooth, advanced and enhanced. At worst, they are cold and appear incomplete. Friends, hope you enjoyed this kitchen design, and for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates whenever we upload a new video. For the latest and trending interior decoration designs, visit our website interiordecordesigns.in and check out the latest trend in interior decoration. You can also follow us on our social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, Pinterest for more design ideas. All the links are there in the description box below. If you want to take interior decoration design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can download our app available on Play Store from the link in the description box below. With this, we finish this video here and we'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.